Power transformers play an important role in energy transmission. They must operate safely and reliably at all times, around the clock. For this reason, they're literally built like a tank. However, the aging process applies to transformers nevertheless. The transformer oil, for example, is indispensable as a cooling, impregnation, and isolation agent. However, just like every other organic compound, it ages with time. Cellulose and oil produce various degradation products. The most dangerous of these are acids, peroxide, and water. Additionally, deposits and sludge form on the surface of the transformer windings. This reduces the heat transfer capability and therefore the cooling capability of the oil. The decomposition products also attack the paper insulation of the transformer windings, and the paper loses its mechanical and dielectric properties. The process finally results in defective spots in the insulation. This makes the transformer incapable of dealing with overvoltages in the power network. This poses a serious threat to these expensive transformers and to the entire grid section. Timely preventive action can minimize such risks. There are a number of ways to prevent the oil from decaying. One can switch off the transformer and change the oil, a costly and considerably ineffective process. However, the oil can be regenerated during normal operation, a process that is far more than just environmentally friendly. During an oil change, sludge and deposits remain in the transformer and become physically dislodged by the vacuum-filled oil. The new oil is impurified immediately, and the sealing system with the transformer tank is subjected to mechanical stress. Better results can be achieved by regenerating the oil during transformer operation. The transformer vibrations and the waste heat generated even serve to support the regeneration process. Continual regeneration also removes physical deposits. In terms of its characteristics, regenerated, inhibited, and degassed oil is the same as new oil. In some ways, it's even better. What's more, the process is more environment-friendly than a conventional oil change. The Siemens Reg oil regeneration by Siemens is a mobile application. All necessary components are housed in 2 standard containers. Connecting the regeneration unit to the transformer during regeneration really requires expert knowledge. Once the transformer has been connected, the oil circulates continually throughout the system. Firstly, the oil is brought to process temperature in a careful and energy-saving manner and is then fed through the Fuller's earth-filled columns. The Fuller's earth cleans the oil. The narrow geometry of the column ensures both a steady stream and even thermal distribution. If the Fuller's earth is saturated with deposits, it is regenerated in an automated readsorption process. During regeneration, the oil in the vacuum chamber is continually degassed and dehumidified. At the end of the regeneration process, an inhibitor is added and the oil is degassed and dehumidified once again. In order to guarantee optimum service at all times, all process-related data can be monitored remotely. The electromagnetic valves on the 4 connection points for flow and return flow are connected to the central control system. They provide maximum safety, together with the double-walled hoses equipped with low-pressure measuring. If one of the hose walls gets damaged, the minimum pressure falls within the monitored gap. In such cases, the valves are closed automatically, and the Siemens Reg switches to safety mode. The low-level monitoring in the oil expansion vessel can also be integrated into this safety system. The entire system is protected from oil leakage by a doubled oil catch pan. 2 level sensors continually monitor the system and shut it down the moment contact with oil is detected. The second container houses a storage area and an oil testing laboratory, in which all processes on site can be monitored. The experts at the Siemens Oil and Material Test Laboratory in Nuremberg are responsible for detailed analysis and quality approval. By installing the Sitram Rege, the operator benefits from Siemens' many years of in-depth expertise in transformers, from the only energy infrastructure company worldwide that delivers products, solutions, and services along the entire energy conversion chain.